Breaking news. An earthquake and tsunami hit Japan, devastating the coast. The earthquake happened on March 11, 2011 at 5:46 p.m. The earthquake was caused by thrust faulting. The Pacific plate was compressing underneath the North American plate, forcing it upwards. This release of energy created a wave which soon created the tsunami. The earthquake happened at a depth of 24.4 kilometers, or 15 miles. On land, the earthquake lasted anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes. This was the 6th largest earthquake in history. There are 401 confirmed aftershocks. As a result of this earthquake, the main island of Japan has moved 8 feet closer to North America, and the shape of the island's coastline has been changed forever. When the tsunami finally hit Japan, there were waves up to 30 feet high. The waves came at almost 800 kilometers per hour, or 497 miles per hour. Some waves reached 6 miles inland. So far, there are 10,019 people confirmed dead, and another 17,541 people still missing. This video is showing you the path the debris is supposed to take in the coming years. There was a total of 3 nuclear reactors damaged in the earthquake.